Google Pixel 4 of 5G. Best budget phone $499. The best 5G phone value. The Google Pixel 4 of 5G remains a good buy despite it now having been replaced by the Google Pixel 5a. Particularly for UK customers where the 5a isn't currently sold. While the basic Pixel 4 was for people who wanted the best camera phone and the cheapest possible device, the Pixel 4 of 5G aimed for people who want a competitively priced camera phone but also 5G connectivity, better performance and a larger display. There are a slew of other mid-range 5G phones which the Google Pixel 4 of 5G goes toe-to-toe against, an LG Velvet here, a Galaxy A71 5G there. And I think it fares pretty well, as Google's expertise with mobile photography outweighs any concerns about the Pixel's subpar battery. Pixel 4 of 5G review, price and availability. There's one version of the Google Pixel 4 of 5G, a 128GB model with 6GB of RAM, and it will cost you $499/$499. That's $200/$200 cheaper than the Pixel 5 despite sharing many of the same components. You will pay $150/$150 more over the basic Pixel 4 though, which may strike some as a steep premium for 5G connectivity. The Pixel 4 of 5G is only $20 more than the starting price of the Pixel 3 XL, which doesn't work with 5G. See how the latest Pixels compare to their predecessors in our Google Pixel 4 versus Pixel 3 comparison. Pixel 4 of 5G review, design. The Pixel 4 of 5G is a handsome phone, and at times, when it was sitting face up on my desk opposite of a Pixel 4 XL, I had to do a double take before I knew which phone to grab. That's not the case when the Pixel 4 of 5G is flipped over, the back is made from plastic, and it definitely looks it. Pixel 4 of 5G review, display. Like the Pixel 4a and Pixel 5, the Pixel 4 of 5G uses an AMOLED display with an FHD resolution and a punch-hole notch for the front camera in the top left corner. At 6.2 inches across, the Pixel 4 of 5G is the largest of the 2020 Pixel lineup, beating the 5.8-inch Pixel 4a and 6-inch Pixel 5. Pixel 4 of 5G review, cameras. While Pixel 4 owners make do with a single rear camera, the Google Pixel 4 of 5G gets the same set of sensors as the Pixel 5, a 12MP main lens along with a 16MP ultra-wide shooter. Google's superlative computational photography is along for the ride, too. Google Pixel 4 of 5G, performance. We find more similarities between the Google Pixel 4 of 5G and the Pixel 5 when it comes to their processors. Both use a Snapdragon 765G, which isn't the most powerful chip you'll find in this year's best Android phones. But it is a processor favored by phone makers who want to offer 5G-ready devices. The Snapdragon 765G includes a built-in 5G modem, but don't want their phones to cost as much as the priciest flagships. The LG Velvet also uses the Snapdragon 765G, while the Galaxy A71 and Motorola Edge use a slightly lower-powered Snapdragon 765. Pixel 4 of 5G review, 5G connectivity. That letter and number at the end of the Pixel 4 of 5G name tells you all you need to know about what networks this phone connects to. Like the Pixel 5, the Google Pixel 4 of 5G works with the emerging 5G networking standard. Pixel 4 of 5G review, battery life and charging. You get 3,855 mAh of battery capacity with the Pixel 4 of 5G, which is quite a lot more than the Pixel 4a, 3,140 mAh, and a little less than the Pixel 5, 4,080 mAh. That should be enough to keep the Pixel 4 of 5G powered up, but 5G can be a demanding connectivity standard. Pixel 4 of 5G review, software. Early access to the latest version of Android used to be the Pixel's exclusive calling card, and while you'll find Android 11 on the Pixel 4 of 5G, it's not a unique proposition anymore. The OnePlus 8T also ships with Android 11 pre-installed. At least Pixel owners can count on Android updates reaching their phones as soon as they're available. Pixel 4a 5G, specs. Starting price, $499/$499. Screen size, 6.2-inch FHD OLED, 1080 by 2340, 60 Hz refresh rate. CPU, Snapdragon 765G. RAM, 6 GB. Storage, 128 GB. Rear cameras, 12MP main, f/1.7, 16MP ultra-wide, f/2.2. Front camera, 8MP, f/2.0. Battery size, 3,885 mAh. Charging, 18W wired. Size, 6.1 by 2.9 by 0.3 inches, 153.9 by 74 by 8.2 millimeters. Weight, 5.9 ounces, 168 grams.